I've got it just tacked for right now, and I've got to mount these bars from here to there, and I'm curious. I'm thinking about running another bar from here all the way across to there and then bracing it in the center, because with an oil cooler in the radiator here, I'm wondering if I take a big impact, this could potentially fold in. What's going to happen when it folds in is these are going to push out. So if I attach a bar from here to here, it will help prevent those from bowing out and then this folding in. So it's only a 0.65 wall, 1.25 inch, so it's not super sturdy. I think I could hit a car at a relative speed, but it's not meant for a high-speed impact. But something's got to give, and I'd rather it be the bumper than the frame. So that's where we are for right now. I'm going to go ahead and weld up and cut these other bars, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. What you got to do is you got to take all the burrs away from the outside and the inside of the tubing, because your weld won't be as solid if you have loose pieces of metal on the inside. You won't have a good clean weld. If you look down inside, you can see all the loose pieces of metal. So what you got to do is you got to blow it out. A lot cleaner. So I've got an angle cut on that. That way the angle meets that, because it's not quite level. And did I cut the angle? I think I might have, but it's still too long, so I still got to trim it some. Right here. Yeah, still a little too long. Need to trim some more off. Okay, it's not so bad, but what I gotta do is I gotta open up. Need to open that up right there. Alright, I can tell it fits better. So, if my camera will ever get into focus, there it goes. Whew. Well, you can't really tell, huh? Oh, there you go. Ain't that pretty? So I got that going into there. So I'm gonna put a little corner gusset right there, and I'm gonna put another one on this one just to help support it, and then I'll put another right here. That way it'll help it from bowing down. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish welding this thing up and show y'all what it looks like once it's done. So I've got all the welding done. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put these right there. I'm gonna come over here, put them right there. And then I don't know if they'll fit. I'll have to grind the back section of them off and grind one edge down to get it in there. And then I plan on putting another one right there. I have to take the back corner off. So it'll give it a little bit extra support. But other than that, I think it looks pretty damn good. Better than just the front, because the old bumper, it pretty much stopped here and wrapped around to here. I didn't have any front side corner protection, so I wanted it to be able to get hit and not fold this whole fender in and get into anything serious. So that's the plan. So I don't know, will that fit there? Yeah, I would put one there too. So I've got a whole goodie bag full of them. I got more right there. So we're gonna weld them in and brace it up a little bit. All right, so I just got finished putting all these little gussets in. So I've got that one there. I've got one right there. I put it at an angle because I look at it as it'll help a little bit down and a little bit back. I was running out of gussets, so that's kind of how I had to do that one. I got this one here. That helps at the downward, and if it were to ever try to push out. This one on this side, I got it going up, and in case it ever goes out. And then those two there. And then I got one back there. So I think this thing is pretty sturdy. I think it's ready for a good impact. Hopefully we'll never have to use it. All right, so we've got the front all done. We've got the cover on. I haven't bolted it down, but I just wanted to show everybody that all the holes line up. We've got those. All these line up. That one lines up. All the body line. Now, believe it or not, this was like this. This car had an impact, and this side never really matches up. But yeah, you come in here and you look. This all looks pretty good. Only got about a 1/2 inch of distance there. All welded solid. If you get down into the engine bay, and I can get the camera low enough, you can kind of tell the whole bar as it goes around. It's pretty close. Yeah, it's about a 1/2 inch from the front. And then you come around here to this side, and you got that there. So that's also got about, let me see here. I'd say it's about 1 inch of play on that side. So yeah, I mean, I could theoretically wrap that bar with a little bit of plumber's foam and possibly get away with it, but I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all think the bumper is a pretty cool idea, I think it saved some weight. I'd have to weigh the rear bumper before I put it on to kind of see what it is, but I know it's a considerable amount of weight savings. The other bumpers were upwards of 22 pounds, I think. So these weigh nowhere near that. I don't know if they're as strong as the originals, but I do know that the original didn't give me any side impact quarter panel protection. So that's kind of what I was after. And I was after weight saving. So